What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the garage. If you guys read the title, from the title, you guys already know that the Civic is a little bit hurt. Three different things, three different issues are going on with the Civic. I'm gonna go ahead, throw this video of me going out to Mexico with the boys, and when we come back, we'll talk about what we're gonna do to fix everything. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tonight's a pretty crazy night, and me and the boys are out to doing some shenanigans. We are at the spot. Subaru versus another this clutch is slipping. Yeah. There's gonna be a 40 roll. My starter's stuck.
You want me to smack it with stick? Oh, your bump started? Alright, here.
Hold on.
Jump in the car.
Hold on. My hood's open.
He said slam.
slipping, his clutch is slipping also. So we need to definitely get clutches and come back. So the first major problem that I have is my clutch. My clutch is slipping. Without the clutch, I really can't race. I try to baby it, but once I get into those high RPMs, it starts to slip right away. I'll probably get, if the car is cold, I'll probably get like one good run, and that's pretty much it. It'll start slipping almost instantly. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and pull this transmission out either on the weekend or at the beginning of next week. That way, when the clutch gets here, it's ready to go back in. The next problem that we're having is we have a leak, and this leak is coming down from the oil pan, and it keeps dropping somewhere around here. It'll just start dripping every now and then. So it's not a big problem. Oh, we got some kind of car accident here. That was that noise we heard. There's always something going on around here, man. Well, either way, I was talking about that leak down there. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to tighten all those bolts down, cause we can't have any leaks. I don't like leaks, and if we lose all the oil, you guys already know what could happen. The next problem is a starter. The starter will work whenever the hell it feels like working. So what I've been doing is I've been tapping it with that hammer, and it seems to like it. Every time I tap it with the hammer, it starts right up. If I tap it with something else that's not the hammer, it will not start. It seems to like the hammer, but I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to do that for. So starter, I'm gonna probably have to go on a junkyard run and just go pick one up really quick. And yeah, that's pretty much it on what the problem. If anybody has a starter laying around or some random parts laying around that you don't want anymore that could work on my Civic, let me know. Shoot me a message down below. This is going to pretty much conclude this video. I am going to start working on the hatch. We are going to be making a video on running all the fuel lines from the fuel cell all the way forward onto the fuel rail and the return all the way back. So that'll probably be the next video that I will be showing, especially since my Civic is down for the time being. Either way, it's gonna be pretty much it. Like I said, make sure you guys are smacking that like button if you liked the video. If you didn't, smack the down. You guys already know the drill. Either way, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Stay safe. Later.
This is Barboss life. Pull up in the Civic, and you know that thing is stick shift. This is Barboss life. They look like it's dripping, cause that rattle can't hit different. This is Barboss life. Pull up in the Civic, and you know that thing is stick shift. This is Barboss life. Like it's dripping, cause that rattle can't hit different. This Barboss life, y'all. Yeah. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Yeah. Make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to leave a comment. Kicking it with Keith made this shit, boy.